The fight of their lives is against breast cancer, but today, four sisters began their fight in court. And as Christina Hager shows us, they're suing Eli Lilly because they say the company made them sick.
Leaving federal court after the first day of arguments, four sisters who all have breast cancer. They say it's because their mother took a drug known as DES, prescribed to pregnant women in the 1950s to the 70s to prevent miscarriage. Here for a front row seat at the trial, a Worcester mom and daughter, Ann and Caitlin McCarthy.
I had no idea that I was a DS daughter until 2005, and it wasn't until I was having a colposcopy that the telltale sign of a hooded cervix was discovered by my gynecologist.
A look into their family history revealed when Ann was pregnant with Caitlin in the early 70s, she took a prenatal vitamin. She didn't even realize it contained DES.
My odds dropped. Who would have thought a prenatal vitamin that's prescribed by your obstetrician would have packaged in it DES?
They've become advocates for DES daughters plagued by infertility and breast cancer, watching this trial closely. In opening arguments here, Eli Lilly's attorney said DES does not cause breast cancer, that in fact it's a genetic disease. But the first witness on the stand, a doctor, said there's no bigger environmental risk factor. From the drug maker's attorney,
I'd love to, but I really can't comment. Thank you.
Same with the sisters behind the lawsuit, who've been vocal until now. They do have a couple of loud cheerleaders in the McCarthys.
We can't ignore this. To ignore it is to say, I want to die.
In Boston, Christina Hager, WBZ News.
The sisters' case is the first of 51 lawsuits filed in Boston federal court against Eli Lilly and more than a dozen other drug companies that manufactured DES.